I don't know if you can see this or not. I hope you can, but here we go. These right here, these first symbols, ES, NQ, and YM, are your futures. This is the S&P futures, the NASDAQ 100 futures, and the Dow futures. You can see they're all in the red and accelerating to the downside. Here's the cash. Dow Jones, S&P 500, and the NASDAQ, all red. Here are your ETF tradables, the diamonds, the Dow, the SPY, the Spider, S&P 500, and the QQQ, which is the NASDAQ 100, all down and accelerating. But then when you get to bonds, right here, TLT, and then the dollar, UUP, you see they're green. That's that quantitative easing part 2. That's the Fed pumping money into the system, keeping a strong dollar, strong bond policy. They need to keep the dollar afloat to give the mirage of a recovery. And they need to keep the bond prices above par, which is above 100, because they need to keep these interest rates low. But then when you come down here, you see crude oil is down. The ETF, OIH, and USO for crude oil are also down. Look at your commodity space. Here's soybeans, corn, and wheat, all down. Here's your Baltic Dry Index counterpart, which is dry shipping, DRYS, down. Here's your lean hogs, meat, down. Here's your live cattle, down. Only thing that's up is your pork bellies hitting all-time highs. Very interesting, isn't it? But then here's your counterparts, ETFs. Here's MOO, here's JJG, here's DBA, all red. Here's your gold. Gold futures, GLD gold, GDX gold miners, SLV, silver, ETF, all red. Everything is red today. Everything is red. Everything. Australian dollar, Euro dollar, British pound, yen, red. Everything's red. The only thing that's not red is the inverse ones, which is, of course, the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. You would expect those to be up against these because they're negatively correlated, or they're supposed to be. And then here's your Goldman Sachs, here's your Wells Fargo, here's your BP, here's your JP Morgan, here's your Exxon Mobil, here's your real estate ETF, here's your semiconductors, all red. How many videos do I need to do like this, showing you where everything is red crashing together? The only thing that's not crashing is the dollar and the bonds, because they need to manipulate and keep that strong. If that goes, then everything falls apart. But just for the record, how often have I said they will crash your precious gold and silver and commodities along with your stock market? That's all I need to say. Proof is right here, buddy. Read it and weep. There is no safe haven. Just trade the markets, take what you can, and give nothing back. FYI. Peace.